What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging, and today we're going to talk floor mats. It's next to impossible to remove cat and dog hair from carpeted floor mats, and cloth floor mats, also kids' candies, stuff like that. Can you believe some people don't even use floor mats? So your car came with the carpeted factory mats, and that's great, that's wonderful. My Raptor actually has the Ford rubber mats that say Raptor on them, and that's pretty cool too. But I'm going to show you how to actually improve from that with the aftermarket and with the addition of the Husky liners. All right, let's take the truck out, get these things switched out. I'll show you before and after. All right, so we got the Husky liners right here for the front. All right, so you guys will see that the factory Ford Raptor floor mats, they're okay. I mean, it says Raptor, it's pretty cool on there, but they're rubber. They're made out of the rubber that Ford uses on the Explorers, Expeditions, most all of them. So they get dirty real easy, and you wind up having to put the slick stuff on there, and that's never any good on surfaces like that. So I wanted to get away from the factory ones and go with the Husky liners up front. Now, the reason I'm not doing them in the rear, they make a rear, but I'm keeping the factory rubber one back here because my speaker box, if I use the Husky liner, it is a tougher, slicker material, and it will, when I hit the brakes, this speaker box will slide and it'll move. So if you don't have a speaker box, you can do the Husky liner in the back also. All right, so we're gonna switch these out. It's gonna be pretty easy. It's got the two tabs. You just pop them up and you pull this out just like that. You guys can see. And not gonna do away with these because it is a Ford Raptor mat, but we are gonna install the new Husky liners. Yeah, man, these are awesome. Great. And it also has the little pop rivets that fit right down in those two spots. Just like that.
Hey, what do you call a man with no arms and legs laying on the floor of your truck?
I don't know.
Matt?
Man, you ain't right. Husky liner, guys. Just fitted straight to the floorboard. So, Mike, how do I go about ordering these? Do I have to go to huskyliner.com or what? No, absolutely not. You do not have to. You can, but you don't have to. I'll put links in the description below where you can pick yours up today on Amazon. All right, so some people have asked me, hey Mike, what's the difference between the Husky liner and WeatherTech? So I really can't speak on that because I don't know WeatherTech. I know they look awful similar, and they probably have something, you know, like a joint company deal. I'm not sure. I mean, it looks very similar. but I really can't speak to the WeatherTechs because I've never owned them. I've only owned the Husky Liners on several of my vehicles. So you guys drop a comment below and let me know the differences in the WeatherTechs and the Husky Liners if you guys have any experience. So I can just tell you that the Husky Liners are top notch.
Personally, I like those paper floor mats with the footprints on them. Shows you where to put your feet.
You ain't got no sense, man. Not one lick of sense.
I'm the brains of this here outfit.
If y'all liked the video today and it helped y'all make an informed decision on what floor mats to get or not to get, you know, if you like your factory ones better, let me know. Drop some comments below. Let me know. And hey, be sure to head on over to my channel page. Check it out. I've got over 200 videos. I'm sure you'll find something over there you like involving the truck, involving the home stuff, whatever the case may be. So do your boy a favor. Smash that like button, give me the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to bring y'all quality content and keep the channel up and running. So, hey, I appreciate it. We will check y'all in the next video. Later now.